Hi, I'm Angela Lowsutea Recipe. Hey, you know, we have so many recipes for you every week, and it's easy to make, low carb to help you to enjoy life, even you are pre-diabetic or diabetic. I am Angela Lowsutea 嘅 President。好高興咧，大家有機會又做埋一齊啦，就俾啲好正嘅 recipe 俾你慢慢煮嘢。因為我啲 recipe 點解好咧？第一，好特別，係全部都係好容易做。第二，全部係 low carb 嘅，咁就算你係前期患病啫，或者係糖尿患病啫，一樣可以 enjoy life，enjoy 你所有嘅生活，同埋咧 low carb， 同埋仲係食得好正仔。OK， 嗱，咁今日咧我哋introduce一個咧就叫做5-gram pesto chicken。So today we're gonna get you a low carb 5-gram pesto chicken. It's easy to make, so I go through the very quick ingredient. All my cooking recipe is easy to make, a few items only. One dish is pesto chicken, so we definitely have some pesto. So you can buy this anywhere. Actually, I buy this from Park and Shop. Basically, you can get it in Costco, Sip, you know, with Star Market, anywhere. You can buy this, okay? So you can put 1 cup of pesto sauce. 2 chicken breasts, and which I can cut it off. The big chicken breast, you can actually cut it off in you know, 4 strip, or you want to have more. I have 8 strip here because I have dinner to cook tonight for a whole family. So I'm gonna have some cherry tomato. I'll show you where to put it later, and then 3 cloves of garlic, and then all garlic butter, and 1 cup of cheese. Later on we know how to do that, and you pepper and salt the chicken. 好簡單，呢個咧就叫pesto。其實你揾去Park and Shop 都有得賣㗎啦呢啲。咁咧仲有咧就一杯啦，就一個 pesto 一杯啦。咁同埋咧就有2個 chicken breast。咁其實今日我多啲咧就整咗係4個 chicken breast 嘅。咁啊仲有咧就啲 cherry tomato 啦，呢個同埋咧仲有。3個加力啦，咁同埋咧就或者加力 butter 都 OK 嘅，咁同埋咧就有 cheese， 呢個 cheese 啲加力點做？咁啊，我哋咧會焗，做完晒之後咧，煎完之後焗375度25分鐘。So all these ingredients, I will show you how to do it after finish. We will cook it and we will actually have it done and bake it for 375 degrees. For 25 minutes. So right now I'm just going to do a little oil, and I will get a hot boil, put a little more to cook my basically I cook my garlic. So that way we'll leave the garlic being cooked here. So I will make the garlic. 咁我而家煮咧，第一就係我哋嘅 garlic 啦 ，OK？ 蒜頭啊！咁啊，搞到蒜頭即係硬咗啦，咁啊 OK 啦 ，OK， 即係焗整熱佢啊，好簡單蒜頭。哇，好香！啲蒜頭好香好香。咁啊，整到蒜頭咧就能夠。So I'm just stir fry the onion until it turns brown. Pretty much not onion, but the garlic to turn it to pretty much brown, and that will come from okay with that. Okay, so pretty much it's been cooking. So give it a couple minutes and stir again. And 咁我依家用啲garlic咧，首先咧就要即係煮到佢差唔多係可以即係咖啡少 brown colour 得㗎啦 ，OK， 咁都七七八八㗎啦 ，OK。So 我鏟翻佢出嚟先，咁我就擺咗呢個側邊。OK， 咁 next step 咧，我就會依家咧就煮我個雞啦。OK， 咁啊嗱 ，so next step you go stir basically cook your chicken. So this is the strip of chicken. You just chick it. So while we're doing the chicken, what I will do is I will now prepare my pesto dish at the bottom. So we'll do it right here. So while we're watching this to cook, I'm just going to do my pesto. So I will do this too. Cook pretty fast. So what we'll do is this. I just gonna prepare my pesto dish. You see, I just gonna put my pesto sauce on the bottom. 就擺啲 pesto 咧，就喺個 bottom 會整好咗佢，咁就可以 OK 㗎啦。呢度 OK， 幾容易。其實好容易煮，你睇幾容易煮，拆得七七八八都 OK。brown 咗佢，最緊 brown 咗佢啊！ So 嗱，呢個 dish 咧，我諗大概15至20分鐘都搞掂㗎啦，好鬼容易啊，真係好容易，所以變咧係一個好容易煮嘅東西。同埋咧，呢個咧唔係淨係糖尿病者食嘅，或者前運嘅啫，係人都食得。因為我屋企人依家話哇好正啊，你煮啲嘢係好好食，咁啊大家都好 happy， 咁啊最好啦，大家有啲嘢能夠我哋成家去 enjoy 幾好，係咪？咁啊今日父親節喎，咁啊更加煮啲嘢俾大家一齊 enjoy 更好啦。Today is Father's Day, so we're making this dish. It's so good, and everybody can enjoy to have a wonderful time at home at dinner. So we can able to do that. So this is going to be really a treat for Dad, and so that will be wonderful. Treat for Dad. Okay, so it's really good. So we're cooking this pretty much done soon. So let's see. I think we're pretty much done now. And today, Father's Day, I think in Hong Kong, a lot of people still take the father out to, buffet or eat dinner and brunch. And today I took my dad to American Club to have a really wonderful brunch with my grandson and my daughter and my wife. That was so wonderful. So really, at the end of the day, I think it's more important now we need to enjoy our family more. 我哋依家食最緊要咧，其實咧真係要幫助我哋屋企人咧，就大家 happy 啊！咁所以呢個咧就煮到依家都差唔多700啦，呢個 brown 咗啦 ，OK 得 ，OK good， 呢個幾好啊，呢個係。咁啊，最緊要咧大家開心啊！即係最緊要喺個父親節。要開開心心 enjoy， 同埋咧就又可以能夠食啲好嘢，所以今日咧我哋做咗呢個出嚟咧，就有啲真係好嘢食嘅。OK， 咁啊我哋依家差唔差得多咧，就拎出嚟啦。OK， 咁我依家我依家就開始拎出嚟咧，就放喺呢個平晒呢度，一塊塊咁平咗喺度啊。係咪喺度啊？Okay. OK， 咁嗱，依家咧我哋做晒呢個啦。咁 next step 咧就要做乜嘢咧？就係擺啲 pesto。得啦 ，OK， 等佢炒啲先。OK， 嗱，咁我依家我閂咗相機先。Let's close the camera. I'm going to remove this so easy to work. Okay, close the camera first. Okay, I removed my frying pan, so now I'm going to put the rest of the ingredient. It is very, very easy. 嗱，我將個 frying pan 拎走咗先啦。咁而家就開始擺我哋東西啦。咁其實好簡單。咁你就擺啲 tomato 上去呢度番茄細嘅番茄仔啊。咁擺上去咧就好簡單嘅。 咁大家都慢慢擺咗啦OK 又靚仔OK 咁擺啲 tomato 上去 OK 咁打完 potato 上細嘅番嘅啫 after you put a small tomato so now you put the pesto on top of all the chicken you spread it all over the place it's just that simple you just spread it all Okay, you spread this. Okay, I spread every pesto pretty much evenly. 將 pesto 咧就放到即係好 even 嘅，即係度度有啦，咁就 OK 噶啦 OK。So press it all the way. So everything is easy, good. And now what you do next step is 咁咧就擺翻啲加力落去，咁慢慢搞翻加力啦，揼翻啲加落去。OK， 咁最後個 step 咧就擺我哋嘅即係 cheese。一個cheese 啦，咁然後咧就擺落去嗰個呢個整個成個 ，OK， 咁擺個 cheese， 擺呢個 cheese 落去呢度啦 ，OK， 得啦，咁冚晒 cheese OK，cheddar cheese，OK，wow that already looks so good。This is how good that is. Now we are pretty much done. Then we will sprinkle a little bit basil leaves. Basil leaf, just like pepper, sprinkle a little bit. Okay, to make it more flavorful. Okay, good. Excellent. Now, I'm going to take this to bake at 375 degrees and I will put a foil paper on top of this to make sure that it's not burned. That way we'll make very nice dish. So I will bring this to the oven, turn off the camera, and we'll come back a little while later. So we'll turn on the camera now, I'll come back a little while later. Hi, I'm Andrew Lau, I'm back. I just actually took the pesto chicken out of the oven. And that's how it looked like. And actually, it's a little bit too much sauce, but it's okay. We'll try it. How it tastes good, okay? I'm out oven 攞出嚟，咁我拎個呢個就我哋個 pesto chicken 啦，咁我就成個拎一嚿出嚟試下，好唔好食先？咁其實最好咧揾啲擺啲 sauce 水添，咁更加靚仔嘅，揾啲 sauce哇 look at that， ooh this is so good， OK， 咁我就睇下好唔好味。It smells very nice， 好香 ，OK， 咁而家再試啖好味好靚。第一有個 pesto 嘅味 ，the first you got the pesto taste a little bit sour, sweet and so forth. Make the chicken very delicious and very delicious. So it's really a good dish for dinner. And maybe you can put a little bit garnishing with your maybe pepper and some other vegetable. I think this will be very nice. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed this pesto chicken, 5-gram carb. We'll see you next time.